Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we have another saw walkthrough. This one is the Dewalt DCS570 circular saw. So we're just going to show you some quick features of this saw and how to change the blade on it pretty much. So that locks the trigger. This right here, this handle right here, that's for your guard. This raises and lowers your plate. And then this right there, if you loosen that, that turns this to cut at different angles. So you can see right there, that's cutting at a 90, and then it says it right on there what you're going to be cutting. So you just adjust up. If you want to cut a 45, you set it right to that notch, flip it over, and you're cutting at a 45. And this little, that right there locks your saw blade. So now we'll show you how to change the blade. So to do a blade change, I like to adjust this, pull this all the way down. That lowers it all the way to there. And you can tighten it back up. So now you have full access to your blade. You can lift your guard. And then all you're gonna do is take this wrench that came with the circular saw. Take this, put it in to your bolt. And while you're doing that, press down on your trigger right here. So we'll press on the trigger, loosen that nut for that bolt. Take out your locking washer. And then you can slide your guard up by hand. Take your blade out. You can see this blade's pretty beat up. It's been through the ringer. But I'll show you how to put it back in just like that. Put your washer back on. Bolt back in. And press our button in again, and tighten it back up. And we'll loosen that up and push that plate back up. There you have it, guys. There's the walkthrough of the Dewalt DCS570 20 volt circular saw. Thanks for watching, guys.